Welcome to the Reppin' the Green Show. This segment, we'll be making some handmade jewelries, but I want to start off by showing y'all some of the earrings, anklets, necklaces, jewelry I've been making, big and serious. So we'll start off with the bracelets, yo. First off, we're gonna start with some bracelets. I'm about to show y'all some new bracelets I've been making. You know what I mean? From Greens Era. As you can see the logo. You know what I mean? And yes, if you're interested in purchasing, we do take Connex, MasterCard. You know what I mean? Visa card, all card, and you can tap us right. Right? Opening the Shambhala case for you guys. Which one is the best one? Talk to me. Which one is the best? I would love to know. So let me show you what so yeah guys, let me show y'all some of the bracelets. Well, I had to wash this one today because you know it got a little dirty, but I made this one today. This is some new material, some new paracord recently got, right? Paracord bracelet. Check out the thickness. Check out the thickness. Super thick. We call this one super thick. And this is how you open it. You open it like so. Open. And close it like so. Super thick. Then we have some plain black ones. You can see that here. You can see this here. We'll take it out. You can see. And there's some plain black ones. It's something similar to paracord, but we call this one fisherman cord. Plain black. Just like my hoodie. What do you think about my hoodie? Rate my hoodie from 1 to 10, chat. Rate my outfit from 1 to 10. By the way, should I be like this on stream? Oh, should I stream like this? Should I stream like this? Or should I stream like this? Talk to me. Anyway, so or should I put up my hoodie? You know, you gotta rub the flag, you know what I mean? So we can't hide it too much. Should we rub the hoodie? Should you? How you think we should be? How y'all want me to wear this on stream today for y'all? Talk to me. Talk to me. And plus, I'm sipping on some. You don't know. You don't know. Big and serious, you know the thing go. I think this camera. But yeah guys, so this is a plain black. We have like a few like this one. We also have this one. You know, Grenada colors, man. Grenada colors with a little black. You know, this one you can wear it on two sides, but it definitely look best on this side. Look. Carefully, careful. See what I'm saying? Just colorful and bright and nice, you know what I mean? Grenada colors, just like Grenada flag. So everybody spam Grenada flag in the chat one time, big and serious. If you're watching the stream from Grenada right now. Also, we live on YouTube and we live on Twitch, okay? If you want to see this wide screen, come over to Twitch. And if you want to see this on your phone, vertical screen, go watch this on YouTube, big and serious. So we have those. Then we had these here. Let me take them off and show you. My rock can have a little break. You see, get break. Saying hi. So we had this one. I'm gonna take the other one off as well. The next thing you had to get for them is if y'all notice, let me know. Should I spill the beans? The next thing you had to get for them to complete them is the hang tags. You know, hang tags like these. It says the Gucci of the Caribbean, handmade in Grenada, right? Gucci of the Caribbean, handmade in Grenada. Greens Era logo, greensera.com in the front as well. So that's what's missing for these basically, but they are new. Did them today, and the emergency was, as you can see, I had too much space on the rack. Space. So that's because stuff sold, right? And we had to, you know, make them back and think. So we have, I'm gonna show you from the least expensive, this one. Red. It's like a red theme with red, yellow, and gold. You know, red, yellow, and green kind of concept bracelet. You pull it apart, you open it, and how to close, you close it like so. Pull the beads apart and you close it. You open it like so. Hold up. So, and you're closing it like so. Kaboom, that's how you operate this Shambhala bracelet. Speed should wear something like this. I see this on his hand, something similar. But yeah, what y'all think about this one? This one is a little bit more thicker in the cord. Thicker cord, similar colors. You know, similar colors, but more thick. You know what I mean? No nonsense thick, but thick. You dig? And it's that. You can see your shit. So you close it like so. Open like so. And we close like so. Shambhala bracelet. Let me know which one is your favorite so far, chat. That's the new ones I think for now. If you see anyone on the rack that might be interested, let me know. Yeah. Got some new ones also. Let me show you all on this rack here. Show you all on this rack here. What's really good. Hold on. It's nice and being right with this. Alright, chat. So check it out. These are the earrings at the top. Some earrings at the top, anklets, bracelets, necklaces. You know what I'm talking about? Right? New ones. This one right here. Let me take it off so you can have a look. This one is normal. This one is not a normal piece at all. Yeah. Do I even do it justice? Let me see. Yeah, I think it will. I think it will. Okay. But you know what you think? There is a, this one has the recycled cord plus the seashell plus recycled beads plus gemstones. The type of stones that we have here: aventurine, turquoise, and the purple is amethyst. W or L? W or L? W or L? What's new also? This anklet here. This anklet here. It's a plain red anklet. You open it like so. One side adjustable for now. Only one side adjustable for now on this one. Close like so. WIL. Some recycle please in WIL.